3Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch at 3Rivers Archery. Today we're going to show you how to install a retriever reel onto the side of your recurve bow. Now your bow has to have ATA accessory, also known as AMS sight, bushings or holes like this. They're in the side of your bow. There are some brackets out there, so if you don't want to drill them onto your bow, you can use one of those. But the way that the reel works for these side mounts is, and we're using an AMS as retriever here, is it has a mounting plate, and you install that mounting plate to the ATA accessory holes here. Normally they'll come with some brackets or spacers like this, so if you have other accessories attached to your bow, this will space it away so you leave some space for them. But we will put that in there, use our Allen wrenches, and it's just lining it up. Getting it started there. And you're just going to make sure that they're snug and in place. You don't want to damage your bow, strip the threads, anything like that, but you want it to make sure that it stays solid and in place. And then with that mounted plate there, you just screw it in place. Now they make it movable so that you can adjust where you have it sitting. That way if you need to slide it forward, back, and all that goes along with the plate, so if you have other accessories here. Since I don't, I'm just going to put it right down the middle and mount it flush on the plate. Just like that, you're ready to go. The way a retriever reel works is on the side of the bow, keeps it out of the way so it's nice, easy going. It's free-flowing line always. The only way for when you want to engage it is you have to grab, which means you're letting go of the bow a bit so you can't shoot it, and hold that handle down. And that uses a pressure to bring a wheel down against another wheel for a friction hold to bring the line in. And then to shoot, you have to let go of that so you can hold the bow, which the really nice thing with that is you're never going to have tension on the line and still shooting the bow, which would break the arrow when it gets shot because it's going to give or do snapback. So always easy flowing. Then you have to stop, grab the handle, do quick, very fast. You're able to get your arrow back right away, and I'm good to go shooting. I don't have to press any buttons or do anything. Just let go of that handle. That bounces back up, and I'm ready to shoot again. Retriever reels are very popular for those reasons on that. And that's it. That's how you set one of those up on your bow and how they work. I'm Jonathan Karch with 3Rivers Archery. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment field below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed it, please hit that share button to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.